Easy come, easy go, we played our days out.
Here at Western Veterinary Center, we built it to be a community to serve the community. The goal is to make sure that when the client walks in, they can take a deep breath and know they're in the right place.
Our goal was to, raise the standard of veterinary medicine and care and build a hospital and take it to the next level. We also wanted to be not only state-of-the-art, but have all the equipment and also be progressive with veterinary medicine and surgery and be at the cutting edge of the industry. We've always loved IDEXX as far as a lab is concerned, both as a reference lab and an in-house lab. I think it's beautiful that we can have them here as part of the growth of our team. I think the beauty of IDEXX is that the lab equipment is quick. We can get results in-house right away. For other lab work that we don't have, they offer the most comprehensive lab tests in the industry.
One of the features I do really like about ezyVet is the ease of scheduling appointments. The way that the scheduling is laid out does make adding new appointments on an emergency basis a lot easier. And I feel like the reception or the customer service representatives feel a lot more comfortable with scheduling because of how it's laid out. And so we don't get as many interruptions during the day about, oh, how do I fit this person in and where do you want this one to go? They're really able to be empowered to actually make the decision based on what they can see right in front of them.
With ezyVet, you can tailor it to your needs. From the setup at the beginning when you open your hospital to if you need to change it in a couple of years, I think there's not a software out there that is superior in being able to do all those things. Whether you're at the corporate level or our level, we have multiple hospitals. It's nice that we can tap in and you can streamline the data across multiple locations if you need to, and it's beautiful to have that.
A lot of times I would always get feedback from other doctors, well, I haven't learned how to do that yet, I can't add this or I can't change this or whatnot. But I think ezyVet has made that kind of a thing of the past. I do feel like it's easy enough to learn that if you are shown one time how to do something, you can pretty much learn how to do it and do it yourself. So you aren't reliant on everybody else to utilize the software for you. You can get in there and make the changes you want to make yourself.
For other veterinarians out there, they should consider ezyVet from the perspective. It's a great software, versatile, dynamic. It can fit your needs, whatever level you're at as a veterinarian and whatever size your hospital is, but also it has great support. And it's hard to find good support nowadays, and I think the support team of ezyVet is what makes them also extremely invaluable, really, to our hospital.